Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Rocket Money notifications for upcoming bills, subscription changes, or low balance alerts? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down to the list of apps to find Rocket Money or just directly search for it in the search bar. After you find it, go ahead and tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Also, check the alerts tile below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and buzzes as well and make sure that time sensitive notifications is enabled too, since bill and low balance alerts benefit from breaking through quiet settings. Now scroll back to the top of your settings or go to search again and search for focus or find focus. Once you see it, tap on it and then go through each focus mode you use: sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure Rocket Money is in silence in the app list under each one. Since all these alerts are meant to catch bills before they surprise you, having them working properly matters. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Rocket Money, allow notifications on, time sensitive enabled, focus modes checked, Rocket Money alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.